Olivia's first real snow. It's just starting to come down. January the 16th, 2008. Here she is at the neighbor's house. Woohoo! It's cold.
Show Daddy how you do. Say, Daddy, it's snowing! Yes! Olivia, look at Daddy, say, it's snowing!
Hey,
She wants to like it, but it's so cold.
it is cold.
She sounds like a baby when she does. It's cold, sweetie, I know. I know, that's what, cold snow is cold, isn't it? It is. Pretty hard, ain't it? Well, let's look at it from the inside. Okay. Well, maybe we'll see you guys out tomorrow and we'll build a snowman together.